Hey everybody, it's Greg, and I wanted to briefly kind of explain Tweetstream and then kind of walk you through the process of setting it up. Tweetstream is a spectacular piece of technology that we're able to use that allows you to sync your profile updates, your activity stream updates, which is what shows up here in the belly of HousingStorm. These are all activity stream updates from all of you. Able to sync those directly with your Twitter accounts and vice versa, actually. And the coolest thing about it is it allows you to put a link back to your profile page after your Twitter post, after your tweet, I should say. So effectively what it does is every time you do things on HousingStorm, it creates incoming links from Twitter to your profile, which is huge. Not only is it going to get you a ton of visitors every single time you do any kind of activity on HousingStorm.com, but it's going to boost your overall search engine optimization, search engine performance tremendously because of all those incoming links. So I would highly recommend that all of you go ahead and set up your Tweetstream syncing. I've gone ahead and logged in here as Patrick. I'm going to go ahead and set up his Twitter profile just because he hasn't done it yet. So what you do is you log into your profile. After you log into HousingStorm.com, you can just click your name. It'll take you to your profile field. Go under Settings and click on Tweetstream. Okay, it says you can set up your Tweetstream here. I'm going to authorize Twitter. And we're going to go ahead and allow. Now, we're logged in to Twitter as our HousingStorm profile. Obviously you'll have your own Twitter profile. I'm going to go ahead and hit allow. It's taking us back to HousingStorm. And it's going to give us a couple of options here. Most importantly, it's going to say blah, 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 always checkbox to Twitter. I'm going to say no. You can do it. I like to be able to do it manually, which ones I want to send to Twitter or not, but you certainly could say yes. Synchronize tweets to my activity. This means if you go to Twitter and do something, it's going to automatically show up in your activity stream in HousingStorm. Import tweets containing the @names. This they call it @mentions. This is a big deal. Twitter is working on technology to make this @mentions part extend throughout all of the social networks, so Twitter, Facebook, and yes, HousingStorm, to where if you are mentioned on any network, you might be able to be found on any network. So a lot of you aren't familiar with this yet, but you will be. And then add my profile link after my tweet. I'm going to hit yes. What this does is every time you send a tweet, it's going to send a link back to your profile. This is huge for search engine performance. Filters, don't even mess with them right now. If it's important to you, you can play around with it. I don't think it's a big deal. Certainly not for Patrick. So I'm going to hit Save Settings. There you go. Now, our settings are saved. So let me go back to here and I'll show you what happens. So this is what it looks like when you go back to your profile field, or even just when you go back to HousingStorm.com. You can go ahead and put in an update, and then you can send it to Twitter if you want to. You can also post the update in different groups that you're associated with. So, I'm going to say testing Tweetstream. And I'm going to add to Twitter, and I'm going to post my update, and watch what this does. So when I go to Twitter, here's our Twitter profile. It says HousingStorm.com, testing Tweetstream, and here's the link, and watch where it takes me. Right back to my profile screen. So again, a big part of the social aspect of HousingStorm.com is driving traffic through your activity stream where people can take a look at your profile, your blogs, your friends, your groups, your links, everything that you're involved in, and certainly learn about you. So great way to drive traffic back to yourselves, back to your sites, and to get huge search engine benefits. I highly recommend that everybody do it. Thanks, guys.